Hello and welcome to Donut Investment. This analysis is for Trane Technologies on the New York Stock Exchange as of 9th of July 2026 with a share price of $472. The full report is on donutien.ca. Trane is an elite HVAC compounder on two strong tailwinds, data center cooling and building electrification. But at a trailing 36 times earnings, forward 30, against a warranted low 20s, it's expensive, with only about 12% upside to the median. A superb business at a rich price, so the strong driver can't lift it. Hold. Trane is a global leader in climate control, HVAC for commercial buildings, plus Thermo King transport refrigeration. Its quality rests on a huge installed base that throws off high-margin parts, service and controls revenue, applied systems engineering that's hard to displace, and disciplined capital allocation. Operating margins near 18%, strong free cash flow, an investment-grade balance sheet, a genuine compounder. The catch is valuation. At forward 30 times earnings, trailing 36, EV to EBITDA around 25, against a warranted low 20s for an industrial, Trane is expensive. That's roughly 1.5 times its warranted multiple, which trips our valuation gate and caps the signal at hold. Only about 12% upside to the median and no cushion if the premium derates. Two structural engines drive Trane: data center thermal management, as AI capacity needs enormous cooling, and building decarbonization, heat pumps, efficiency retrofits. Both are multi-year and both play to Trane's strengths, but the market already pays for them. A strong driver can't lift a valuation-capped hold. It's the reason to own Trane on weakness, not to pay 30 times forward near the highs. Now, the other side of the ledger, a construction data center capex downturn, HVAC margin compression from competition, and expensive multiple D-rates near the highs. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 21% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 8%, and the bear case a fall of about 15%. So you are risking about 15 to make 21. So, our call on Trane Technologies on the New York Stock Exchange, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donutien Investment at donutien.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.